Hello YouTube, welcome to Code Fusion. My name is Kumar and this is the part 30 of the video series JavaScript for the beginners. And in this video we talk about arrow function. So if you want to support me, please hit the like button and subscribe to Code Fusion. It will help me to rank this video in the YouTube algorithm. So now let's start the video with the question, what is arrow function? In modern JavaScript, arrow function is not a new kind of function. It's just a new syntax to declare a function. No need to panic about it. Rather it will help you because it is short and readable. For understanding the arrow function, first we will see the regular old syntax of the function which we are using from the dawn of the JavaScript. So now switch back to our VS Code and let's see. Well, we are using this old syntax in the previous videos. So if you are not clear with this syntax, I will give you the link in the description or in the I button. Well, I already told you some modern day JavaScript concepts such as const, let and temporary literals. So we can use temporary literal and reformat the return statement. Only we need to add tilde sign like this and dollar with a curly braces around the variable. Same here, dollar with a curly braces. Now we can test this function by calling it. So full name, passing the parameter Harsh with comma and Kumar. That's it. And just console log this function. Log. Remove this plus sign. We don't need it anymore. So now as per the syntax tool, we can remove the function keyword. We can use the arrow symbol like this. So let me first copy the above function, comment all the above code, remove the function. Now here function name act as a variable. So let function name is equal to, and between these curly braces and between this parenthesis and curly braces we can add our arrow like this. This is also a valid syntax. Let me prove it to you. Just console log the function. As you can see, function is executed properly. Well, you may complain me that it is not a shorter code, so let me trim it further. Let's copy and paste the above function and comment the above lines. We can remove curly braces and return also like this, but only if we are writing our return statement in a single line. Let me give another example. Let addition is equal to number 1 and number 2, and this function return the sum of these two numbers. So now quickly execute the function by using console log. Quickly comment out the above line and now change the function name and parameters 5, 6, 5 and 6. 5 and 6 is 11. We can use this arrow function in the single parameter function also like this. Let dice roll is equal to side with parenthesis and add arrow symbol, curly braces, return one plus math dot dot floor math dot random into side. This is the function of the random dice generator. The sides of the dice are dynamic. With the help of this parameter side, we can input any kind of number data. So let's first test this function dice roll, and rather using 6 side, we used 8-sided octagon dice. Let me comment out the above function by refresh. So in this function also we can remove this curly braces written keyword. So we can remove these parentheses like this. Let me show you. First remove these curly braces and return. Move this line up and remove this braces. Remove this bracket. Sorry, not braces. So there is no compilation error. Now let's check our code. Now let's check the console log. Our function is working fine as we expected. We can change the side to 6. So you see how much easy our function is looking right now. What else we can do? There is one more situation. How to write a parameter less function. Let's say, for example, create a welcome function to greet a new user. Let welcome is equal to welcome to Code Fusion. Thank you for subscribing in advance. So please subscribe. So how can we rewrite this function? Same, remove the curly braces and return keyword, and that's it. In this low parameter case, we can't remove these brackets, but we can write this function like this. So let's test this function. Comment the above line, and you can see function is executed flawless with no problem, no issues. So that's all for now. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Code Fusion, and hit the notification bell for the latest update on this channel. And remember, keep coding, keep learning, keep improving yourself day by day. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.